Keep your swimming pool clean, safe, and fully working with professional pool plumbing. Services by Adnan Fix-It. We provide expert solutions for pool pipe repair, leak detection, water circulation problems, pump and filter connection, and complete plumbing maintenance. Our skilled technicians make sure your pool system runs smoothly and saves water and energy. Whether it's a small leak or full plumbing installation, we handle every job with quality and care. Fast service, reliable work, and customer satisfaction are our priority. Contact Adnan Fix-It today for trusted pool plumbing services. Call or WhatsApp now.